big red. No. That's the biggest red I've seen. Personally, I mean, I've seen pictures.
Oh, wow. She got a big one.
I feel like I just gave birth.
You did, actually. 2 redfish.
And you still got a bait. I got the video.
Oh, he doesn't want to die. Where do I put this?
Oh, he might be too big. I forgot that.
I have fish.
All right.
Oh, my dad is going to be so happy. What is that?
All right, they're out there, Sonny. You got the only rod in.